Hello there, everybody, and welcome back. I'm Daniel, that guy that doesn't get popcorn because he says it gets stuck in his teeth, but then somehow your popcorn doesn't. Valvo. And today, I'm honored to bring you the next topic in our series, multiplying decimals. Let's bite in. Immediately stuck. One got immediately stuck. So unlike when adding and subtracting decimals, when multiplying decimals, you do not need to line up the decimal points. In fact, you don't need to worry about the decimal points at all until the very end. You'll see what I mean in a second. So our steps for multiplying decimals go as follows. Step 1. Ignore the decimal points and multiply the numbers as if they were whole numbers. Then in your answer, stick the decimal point back in, giving your answer the same number of digits after the decimal point as the combined number of digits to the right of the decimal point in each of your factors.